Hello, Dick.
Hello, Martin. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm doing all right.
Good.
Okay, okay, okay.
That must be Connie's new car. Lots of customers today.
Oh, hi there. Good.
Showed up at the last minute. Went over, saw Charmetta and Mometta. Had a good time.
Did you go to the memorial service?
Yeah.
Did you know Ann?
No.
Your family well?
All things. Yeah.
Good. Good to see you.
Are you taking my picture now?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I thought the red light was
Book over here.
No, this one. This one doesn't show you.
Oh,
No.
yeah.
This woman right here now.
Right now. Now you're getting closer and closer and closer. Oh, your facial features are filling the whole screen. Beautiful.
Yeah, we're thinking that
Now we're backing off. Now we got the top half. This is where all the work takes place, huh? Right?
I live in England. You signed your John Henry over here.
Okay.
Okay. And have a different one every month. Yeah. I have never quilted. You come down to Oh, tell her about it, right.
See, I'm not doing dishes today.
Oh, really? You got another volunteer that you forced to do it?
Right. A lot of, nice old folding down barns.
Oh, my.
How pretty you're coming.
I've got no problem. No problem. Did I do that?
Yeah, you got
Well, I timed it right.
I don't know, we're trying to determine the age, Lois,
We have towels around here.
I was going to go out there with all you guys, but I don't have my hip boots on.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it should be out there.
75, wasn't it?
Good for you, Susan.
Come across the street and see me over there in my own environment.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
And this is Nan. She's one of Nan Rich. She's president
Nan.
of KTVU this year.
Oh.
And she was born T.
There they are.
We're in a video now.
Are you the quartet, or are you escapees from the prison out here?
Well, we're the quartet.
Yes.
Oh, the quartet. Oh.
Taking a break. I can't believe it.
You make a good picture.
Thank you.
Good deal.
There you go.
I got his front before.
There you go, with me and my girlfriend.
She doesn't object to anything you ask her.
Oh, no.
You're not really a straggler.
Well, actually, they claim
Heart of my heart, I love you. Life would be naught without you. Light of my life, my darling, I love you.
I don't know. I a couple years ago, but that is
No, you're part of the scenery.
Of Joel Clayton's first born. So Joel's firstborn was Alyssa Jane Clayton. She married John.
The camera's going right now, even though I'm looking out like this. Uh-oh.
Her mother was the one that wrote the book on
Yes.
Well, they were talking about putting this back there. They said, we'll put it back there. I went back and measured it, and about 4 feet of the left-hand corner would have been hanging over the creek. And I came back and said, wait a minute, you guys don't want to fit there. Well, no, I measured it.
Is she making out the payroll?
Yeah, I'm buying
The payroll, huh?
Are you standing in line?
Oh,
Trying to get paid, all those volunteers want to be paid, huh?
yeah.
Dream on.
Are you well known here, or did you just walk in because it smelled good, or what?
My husband John is Judge Justice's great grandson.
Really? I'll be darned. I was on the street naming committee. So Wilmetta and I named the streets. Goethals Court is where my, let's see, yeah, it's where my daughter lives. She bought a house on Goethals Court. Judge Goethals.
That's it.
Harris's?
Harris's.
Yeah, I got them. Yeah, I talked to him.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, Mark.
I'm getting you too.
No.
How many people were at Ann Albert's?
It was a good turnout.
Was it?
It was a real good turnout.
Just missed the Bigelow.
They just left.
Yeah.
Joel and Lynn were here.
Oh, Joel and Lynn were here too.
Got people who do that while they're talking on the telephone. Oh, they're describing something.
Well, I got to peek over this tall guy's shoulder.
What have you got there? Here. We're connected here.
Yeah, right. Yes, I've got the everybody looks good switch on.
Anything important to say.
Looks good. Spade.
Spada.
Spada. Oh.
Have Spada. Yeah, I have my 2 grandchildren.
Oh, good for you. Right. What's your name? What's your name? Huh?
Benjamin.
Benjamin?
And Spada.
What's your, Benjamin Spada?
Minnie.
And what's your name? Samantha. Oh, good, good. That lady will agree with anything you ask her. Hi.
Oh, like
75?
75 or
100?
more.
Oh, yeah,
Quite a
good.
few.
Good. Here they are. Hi, Elaine.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
it'll be in pretty soon, but our place is nice.
Yeah, I was going to say, your guys should be high and dry, even though it's pretty close to the river, huh? America?
No, it's down at Sacramento, which is better.
Oh,
But
okay.
American is more.
Yeah.
Hello.
Well, it just seems so perfect.
Hello there.
To see you.
That one. That's the one. She was looking the other direction.
Yeah, Margarita. Yeah, Margarita.
Okay.
Our son?
Good.
Daughter? The son just left. Yeah, it's another Margarita. She was called Marnie.
Oh,
Yeah.
Marguerite.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a Marguerite. Yes, officially a Marguerite. And then one who lives in Ohio.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. But most of it like that was where I looked up a few Sundays ago, they had listed the garden plots in this area. And most of them met at evening, and the outdoor plots.
That's not George Frank, that's just a dummy. That's good. Stay right there. You'll be part of the scenery. How are you, Mark? Good to see you. Who's this?
Bob and Marcy.
Bob and Marcy. Good. Good to see you.
What with the new house and the new bed?
Hi, George.
No, we aren't. Like today, yesterday we bought a bed, today we bought a refrigerator and a TV.
Oh, that's something.
And then,
Yes, I would say like your queen first. Our city manager, Corey.
Yeah, I got a picture. Yeah, I'll get another one. Aren't you supposed to put a dish up there so people can put dollar bills in it, $5 bills? No? Yeah.
We just take the dollar bills at tax time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Well, don't they give tips to help?
Tips to help.
Oh, this is pretty prominent help here.
You know, good stock.
She's good.
It's hard to compete with the cookies.
Cookies and lemonade, I can see the big competition here. Part of it. Yeah.
Dan,
Howie and Finch came over from Martin Luther Creek.
our city manager.
Yeah, I think we had some talk about the bridge on
High Street.
on High Street.
Yeah.
You don't like that? We got to put a new one up there for you.
Okay. Head back to my lovely quiet office. I'll see you Tuesday afternoon. Is that what we're doing, meeting Tuesday afternoon?
Say your names for the camera. What's your name?
Jenny
Jenny who?
Berdali.
Jenny Brzandi?
Berdali.
Bradali? And this is your son?
Merritt.
Who?
Jason Merritt.
Jason Merritt. And this nice lady is?
Maggie Gardner.
Maggie Gardner. You just stopped by when you saw the sign, or are you local people?
She's visiting and I brought her down for it.
Oh, I see. You're a local then?
Yeah.
Oh, good, Maggie.
We're local in Concord.
Oh, well, yeah, that's pretty local.
Yeah, I was
It
going to
is.
say.
Good.
Across the border.
Okay, enjoy yourselves.
You never did sign in and get me.
Oh, well, we will. Do you have your garden? Do you have your garden ticket today?
No, the tickets aren't ready yet.
Oh, okay.
But we do have a way you can send for one.
There's the original Bathing Beauty.
Oh, he has a bad. I didn't wear my bathing suit today.
Oh.
Pictures of Obed and I in our bathing suits.
Oh,
They're not using it as blackmail.
Oh, so is O'Malley's house still?
Got a picture of the girl there in front of the bar. Yeah. See her?
Building, and then they see the bar, and they come out to smoke.
Yeah.
They can't smoke inside.
Sandy and Paula, no.
No.
Oh, I think it's the new. Not the new school. The old elementary.
They're coming out to see what the noise is.
Big boat. Do you know which one?
This is upstairs at the museum. looking north. Now looking to the east wall. Looking towards the south wall now. And here come some customers. Come in.
Look what I found. Oh, sorry about that.
Come in.
Oh, you scared of me, too. Or maybe. Cute. Where is that from? Who's that?
I got a little baby, but she's out of sight. I thought I never see my honey, but she's mine all right. So take this tip and leave this gal alone. Now every single morning you will hear me yell, hey, Central picks me up along the line. He connects me with my honey, then I ring the bell. And this is what I say to baby mine. Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal. Why don't you send me a kiss by wire? Baby, my heart's on fire. If you refuse me, honey, you lose me, then you'll be left alone. Please telephone and tell me I'm your own, your own. Telephone and tell me I'm your own, your own. Thank you.
And I'm leaving the Camellia tea.
Comfortably in command. See your Northern California GMC dealer today. Next on Our Town. No, it's not a horror movie. It's a robotic zoo where you can pet a superfly or color your own Camellia.
Oh, nice.
Steve McPartland goes to a big-time soapbox derby.
Look at this ring.
And we'll visit a Christmas tree lot where they sell no pine before it's time.
Yeah, I still think the big end should go in first.
It's all straight ahead on Our Town.
Welcome to Our Town. I'm Gary Kalf. We're going to start tonight's show by taking you to Christmas tree country. It's that time of year, folks. Time to bring a little bit of the outdoors into your living room. Dress it up with ornaments and tinsel. Well, you already know all about that. What you may not know, though, is how much time, effort, and money went into growing and grooming that perfect tree. Just for you. If it's a fast-growing tree like the Sierra Redwood, it probably went into the ground in early 1990. A scrawny little seedling it was back then. After surviving a hard winter and an attack by rabbits that gnawed it nearly to death, it got its roots down and began to really grow. So much so that by the end of its third year, the former sapling would be nearly 4 feet high and starting to develop a shape. 2 more years and that Sierra Redwood is 6 feet tall. It is carefully shaped and cleaned of its dead leaves. And here it is, fully grown, 8 feet tall, fresh and full, ready to be the centerpiece of some family's holiday living room. Grown and groomed with love by Martin Easton.
These trees are known as Sequoiadendron giganteum, more commonly known as Sierra Redwood. They're the direct descendants and same species as the largest living thing in the world, the giant sequoia. They make very good Christmas trees because they tend to grow in a natural Christmas tree shape by themselves.
Tastes have changed in Christmas trees, have they?
Well, yes, we sell Monterey pines also. Monterey pines 50 years ago were not known as a Christmas tree.
Martin Easton has been growing and selling Christmas trees for going on 30 years now at his 200-acre ranch in the East Bay town of Clayton.
I used to do it all myself. I used to do every tree in the farm. I used to do 10,000 trees, shearing and everything myself. But I tell people that I can't work like I used to because I'm not 65 anymore.
He raised his daughters to sell trees. This year he's training his granddaughters. Easton says he's proof you'll never get rich selling Christmas trees. He sells them for $26.95 each, regardless of size, which is only a few dollars more than it costs him to grow them. But it's fun being out there in the brisk December air and begin their search for that one special, perfect Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah. I mean, people dance around the tree, they hug the tree. There have been marriage proposals in the tree farm that I've heard about. They get pretty friendly out in the tree farm sometimes. And it's okay with me.
Easton says folks' biggest mistake is not measuring the height of their living room ceiling before they come out here. They get home with that 9-foot beauty and find the room is only 8 feet high.
And they get it home, and the uncle says, what do you want me to do, chop a hole in the ceiling or the floor?
He also says all that business about hurting nature and killing trees is a load of hooey.
You can see where more than one tree has grown from this stump. There's 1, 2, this is the 3rd tree coming up from this stump since about 1985. So when someone cuts a Sierra redwood like this, all they take is what's somewhat above ground. They're not really killing anything. So it really relieves the fears of a lot of people that don't want to come out and kill something.
Since we're all the way out here, Martin says we ought to do something useful, like tell people what to do with their fresh-cut Christmas tree when they get it home to keep it fragrant and green.
Put it in water as soon as you get home. If it's more than a half an hour to an hour when you get home, then you want to make another cut. Cut another ½ inch off the base. And if you're not going to put it up in the house for a few days, put it in a bucket or pan of water in the garage. A tree this size, the first 2 days will take probably 2 gallons of water. 15 pounds of water.
To get to the Clayton Tree Farm, take 680 to Ignacio Valley Road, make a right on Clayton Road, and start looking for the sign. For other farms, check the KTVU website at bayinsider.com. Oh, and you don't need to bring a saw.
Coming up a little later on in our town, we're going to take you to a soapbox derby with vehicles like you've never seen before in your life. Whoa.
Hi, I'm Julie Hayner. If your children love to go to the zoo, then we have something definitely worth checking out. Coming up on Our Town, you'll meet quite a collection of